Write your main keyword over here, like I write keyword planner. Enter your URL of video. Now for title, click on discover and place your this keyword over here. Now click on go. Now take the idea for your title of video from these 5 videos. Now for example, I write how to Google keyword planner. Now write any description you want related to keyword planner. For example, I write in this video I will show you how to use Google Word Planner. Now enter hashtags over here related to your own hashtag finder. Enter keyword here and click on go. Now copy hashtags from here and place in here. As many hashtags you want to enter, you can enter in this way. Now enter tags for your video here. For tags, click on tag finder and place a keyword over here. Keyword planner. Now click on go. These are the suggested tags for your video. Now add tags by clicking on them. You can add tags up to 500 words. After adding tags, you can analyze by clicking on analyze it. Now this shows optimization score of your video, which is 71%. Now it gives recommendations to increase your optimization score, like you can still add more content to the title, as the title length is 100 and we only write 33 words in the title. So if you increase your length up to 100, then this error will be removed. It's too short, make it longer and use the targeted words. Write description in detail and use target words like keyword planner, Google keyword planner in this way. Now third error is add a link to your website, your social pages in the description. You have to enter website, social pages in the description to improve your optimization score. Fourth error is use up to 5 hashtags in the description. Mean you have to write 5 hashtags in the description. I write only 2. Now Fifth is ask the viewer to subscribe to your channel in the description. You have to enter a link of your channel to increase your analysis score. You have to write like this: to subscribe my channel. Now paste a link of your channel over here. Please add more tags. You can add more tags related to your keywords over here. For example, I write 220 keywords. You can enter up to 500 words by simply clicking on here. Now I added more keywords tags here. Now again analyzing it, optimization score will be increases. Now 81 is your score. Simply you can optimize your video up to 108%, 102%. Thanks for watching my video.